In this video, I am going to show you how to add the CloudMQTT broker with RSL10Sense and Actuator apps. First of all, open the RSL10Sense apps. Click on the Settings button. Then click the Manage Brokers tab. Then click on the Add Broker sign. Select the broker type as Generic Broker. Click on Next button. Here we need to put all of the information. Most of the information comes from CloudMQTT dashboard. You can put anything as client name and device ID. After that, we save it by clicking the Save button. Here you need to put the URL, the port number, username information and password. Thanks for watching.